The lake! I can escape from the lake. Whee! That's not a lake! Hello everyone, I'm at Phantom. Welcome back to Assassin's Creed 2. Now, last time left off, let's see, we took over this building that was controlled by, an evil monarch, I'm gonna say. Or, I don't know, like a corrupt monarch? One or the other. And now, we heard, like, some bad things about to happen to the higher-ups. I think. Maybe a king? Priest? I don't know. All I know is, it's no good for us, so we have to do it right now. Kill. So, someone important could be safe. I don't know the monarchy with this. All I know is, I have to protect the guy. But before we do that, I just have to say, thank you guys for watching. Support my channel. Support pretty much everything I do. You guys are awesome. Feel awesome. Yeah, don't forget the like button. Comment down below. What's your favorite thing about her? What you like about her? Do you like that she taught us how to do that awesome new mechanic, the jump climb? That's what I'm gonna call it. Not sure if it has another name or what. Anything, just leave a comment down below. And don't forget to join Dragon Hearts by subscribing and ringing the bell icon so you get notified whenever I upload. Alright, so, what you want?
Salute, Bellomino.
Salute. I'm fine.
You back to see me already?
Kind of.
Desolato, mia cara.
Oh.
I am not here to play. I must speak with Antonio.
Yeah,
It's
Antonio.
urgent.
Yeah.
Antonio! Ezio's here!
Alright. You sound pissed about that. Antonio? Oh, wow, you came here fast.
Is everything all right?
No, not really.
Carlo Grimaldi and the Barbario are in league with the one they call the Spaniards.
Uh-huh.
They're going to murder the Doge.
That's
Replace
no
him with
good.
one of their own.
We have to take
They
care
will
of
have
him.
all of Venezia, their entire fleet in their grasp.
And they call me a criminal.
Then you'll
Well.
help me.
You have me on your side, brother.
Yay!
And the support of all my men.
And women.
Yay!
Grazie, amici.
But it's
Equal
I
equality.
must warn you, it's not going to be so easy this time.
Why?
Palazzo Ducale is the most heavily guarded building in Venezia.
Okay.
Nothing is impenetrable.
True.
Now this is why we like you, Ezio.
Oh, thank
Come,
you. I like you
Let's go
too.
take a look. We'll come up with a plan.
Alright. Let's go with the plan. Where are we going?
This
go.
business with the Doge.
Uh-huh.
Terrible. Though, treachery like this no longer surprises me.
Oh, we
When I
got
was a child,
good follow me.
We were taught that the nobles were just
Okay.
and kind. I believed it, though my father was only a cobbler, and my mother a scullery maid.
Okay.
I aspired to be much more. I studied
Okay.
hard,
Oh, I'm so sorry.
but the nobles
I didn't
would
mean to do
never
that.
have me.
Oh, come on. I didn't mean to do that. Ouch. Oh, there we go. I didn't want to do this, okay? Go. There we go. Nice. There we go. I got it. There we go. Come on. Let's go. Anyways, you were saying? Oh, sorry. Let's see. Gotta get across there. So. Yeah. And here we go. And nice.
We need to scout the palazzo carefully.
Uh-huh.
See it from every angle.
Yeah.
We just might find a way in. I know of a tall campanile behind
Really?
the palazzo. Or we might find a way to climb the back of the basilica.
Okay.
Do you have any ideas?
I assume the front door is out.
Yeah, obviously.
Va bene. We'll try the front door as well, Saputello.
Nice.
Segui me.
Okay. Where is that? Oh, on top of that tower. I've been up there. Well, there is another place. There is another thing that I haven't really got yet. So, I guess we'll do it right now. Oh, wait.
Isn't that illegal?
Oh.
What do you think?
We're not getting in this way.
Obviously not.
They'll have time to murder the Doge before we're able to get through all these guards.
Oh, Doge.
Fall in.
It's the Doge. Ooh, sorry. I mean, since I'm here, I can get that out of the way. Alright, oopsies. Alright, jump, climbing up. There we go. I'll meet you at the top. It's gonna be a long time. Alright, and we made it. So, there's our next, codex thing. I'm not sure. And it's a pentagram.
I don't know what's happening to me.
That doesn't seem...
Been in the machine.
That seems bad.
Keep putting me back in.
Huh?
And I am losing control.
Oh, Jesus.
It's all blurring together.
Oh. Sorry?
I'm holding a rifle.
Oh?
Gettysburg. Distance.
Oh.
I just stabbed a man.
Oh.
And there's blood on my waistcoat.
Jesus.
I'm at the opera. Soprano.
Okay.
So beautiful. I'm
Who?
in bed with her.
Who?
She cries as I fuck her.
Oh, God.
I'm speaking at the forum. No one listens.
Um,
In the forest, hunting.
what?
Moon. I can see them.
I think he's breaking down.
I'm here.
Oh,
I have to stay here.
Okay.
Until you understand.
what?
Listen.
What?
Why do we have these gifts?
I don't
these
know.
Abilities? Because
What?
it's in our blood.
To be assassins? I'm not judging, but... Really? Alright. The seeds were planted as two words became one. Worlds became one. Behold, the assassin's children of two worlds. Oh, good. No, wait, I didn't mean to do that. Oh, good. The jest of art. Oh, God. Alright, two worlds became one. Maybe it's this one. Not that one. I'm not sure about that one. Maybe that one. That one. That one. And this one? Oh my God, I'm a genius. Hey, our creed symbol. Nice. Real good. Are you kidding me? That was the quickest one. Eh, whatever. Oh, good. We only have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 more left. And I think they're around here. I gotta search for them here. Alright. Alright, let me climb upwards. Turn off my eyes. Alright. No. I'm not trying to lose target. Target down there. No. I'm not trying to lose target. No. Give me a second. Hear me out. I'm not trying to lose target. No. Stop it. Watch. Leap of faith. Ugh. Oh, Lar. Alright. No. Follow me.
Andiamo.
Alright, now let's go all the way in the back, I think. Alright. Restricted. I'm not in restricted area. Don't be spewing out that freaking lies. Let's jump. And then we got to go up here. And I think up here. Alright. You following? Hurry up, you're slacking. There we go. Jump. Oh god, the codex walls. Alright. Looks like we gotta climb up. There we go. Come on, Antonio. You are just slow poke, aren't you, Antonio? Ugh. God. It's gonna take him ages to get over here. Hurry up. There you are. Get over here.
Look at that.
What?
Archers everywhere.
Oh, yeah.
The walls are impossible to climb on this side.
But I got there before. I was there before.
Let's do it.
Alright. Let's do this. Leap of faith! Alright, your turn. Are you kidding me? You could have just done the leap of faith. Oh my god. Antonio. You're just an idiot, aren't you? Alright. Climb upwards. Guess not. Okay, didn't mean to do that. There we go. Nice. And tear down this wanted poster. Perfect. Alright. There. Now, let's go to the other checkpoint. There we go. Nice. Hurry up. Alright, good. You're kind of close. Alright. So. Uh-oh. Ouch. Oh, that hurt.
Another capering crusader.
There we go. Shit. Alright. Oh, damn it. There we go. And climb some more. Nice. Awesome. Okay. So, where are we heading? Oh, right in front. Alright. So. Oh god, no. Damn it. That hurt. Oh god, the doors. Hurry up, Antonio. Ay, ay, ay. Santa Maria. Alright. So. There's the front door.
Bene. We're in
What?
luck. Looks like there's a perfect path up the scaffolding.
Oh, that
North of
was
the
much better. Better when I was taken.
Follow my lead.
Oh god, where are we going? Okay, looks like we're going to that lion's mouth. There we go. Oh shit. Damn it. Alright, let's do this. Nice. There we go. Okay. And jump. Awesome. And now, there we go. Alright. You coming along fine? Alright, good job, buddy. Alright. Well, here we are. Come on. You got this, Antonio. You got this. There we go.
Ezio, look.
What?
Isn't that him? Grimaldi.
Don't you understand what I'm offering
Oh,
you?
hello. He's gonna backstab you.
For this will be your last chance.
How dare you?
What?
I'm sorry. Mi dispiace. I meant nothing by it. I'm only looking out for your safety.
We're
Sure
running
you
out of
are.
time. There's no way through this fence, and there are guards everywhere. Diavolo.
Qui. Let's do it.
Okay.
It's impossible.
Is it now?
There's no way in or out for me. Only birds.
Yes. Birds.
Oh?
Where are you going now?
To see my friend Leonardo.
Yeah. Oh, guess we're gonna see Leonardo. Alright. I'll be right back. Alright, and we're back. Made to Leonardo's. Let's see if he's home.
I need your help,
Hey, Leonardo.
Does it work? What?
What?
What are you asking? Does it
Yeah,
work,
the flying
Leonardo?
machine.
Can it really fly?
Can it?
I don't know.
Oh.
It's only a prototype.
Oh.
An idea. It's not ready yet.
Have you tried it?
No.
What?
It's too dangerous. To test it, you'd have to leap off a tower.
Okay.
Who would be mad enough to do a thing like that?
Me.
Leonardo, I think you just found your madman.
Uh-huh. Look at that face. Aw. Alright.
So, how does she work?
Uh-huh.
Have you ever watched a bird in flight? It's not about being lighter than air.
Okay.
It's about grace and balance.
Uh-huh.
You must use your body's own weight to control your elevation.
Okay, I
and
can barely
direction.
hear you, Leonardo.
Good luck, Ezio.
Thank you. Alright. Whee! Oh god, I'm controlling it. Oh wow. Hold over to look over. Whee! Dive down.
Why am I crashing? This is
What?
ridiculous.
You're not crashing.
The palazzo's too far away.
You're not crashing.
Diavolo, I give up.
What?
I'm gonna end up killing myself before I ever kill another Templar.
You're not dead. You're alive. Look, you're flying. I mean, you're probably gonna die now, but oh my god, I'm not dead. Oh my god, first time I was doing that, I was not, I was sucking at it. Oh wow. I'm actually doing awesome at this. Whee! Yes, years of Batman training has paid off. Oh my god, I touched the ground. Whee! Awesome. Oh. Damn it. Well, that sucks. But I got money.
I can't believe it. It worked.
Uh-huh.
It really worked.
Yep.
You flew, Ezio.
I
You
did.
flew.
See, but not very far.
Oh.
Well, what were you expecting? The machine wasn't designed for distance.
Okay.
All right, look.
What?
Let me go over my plans here. Maybe
All
we
right.
can find some way to extend the duration of the flight.
Okay.
Ezio, my men tell me Carlo has the poison.
Uh-huh.
We must hurry.
Alright.
Antonio, this is Leonardo, the master inventor. who
Right.
Built these. That's what he made.
Oh.
Hey, it's not the machine's fault.
What?
It's mine.
What?
We checked my blueprints. It's just impossible.
What?
Don't know how to extend the flight. Ah, che idea del cazzo.
Uh-oh. Hey, look.
Eureka! Of course! Genius!
Oh, you found an
What does he do
idea.
now? It rises. It needs fire.
Uh-huh.
Heated air under its wings will lift the machine.
Okay.
Leonardo, what good is one fire going to do?
Not
What?
one fire, Ezio. A dozen. Built all across the city.
Okay.
Enough to carry you from here all the way to the Palazzo Ducale.
Alright.
How?
I don't know.
Ah, capisco. My men could do that, but you are forgetting about the guards.
Okay.
Don't worry, I will take care of them.
Oh,
I'll give
don't
you
tell
order to have
me.
my men moving behind you and hold the locations. Then
Goody.
light them all up the second
My
the sun
voice
goes
went
down
out.
over San Marco.
Ay, ay, ay. Huh? Well, beyond half down. Okay. I was not paying attention because my computer was fucking up. So, what's that? I gotta do targets. Alright. Okay. Clear areas. Hello. Ooh, nice. What is wrong? What was wrong with your foot? Oh. You came at a bad timing. Nope. Okay. Who wants to go? Oh, hang on. Give me a moment. Alright, I'm back. Sorry, my dad, like, needs me to turn off the heat. There we go. Alright, who wants to go?
Don't lose him!
Come on. There we go. Alright. Let's see what you got in here. Ooh, nice throwing knives. Don't mind that. Don't mind that. More throwing knives. Don't mind that. Alright. So, now I just need to Get the other targets. Oh, sorry, sir. Alright. Oops, sorry.
What's your problem?
Everything. Everything is my problem. Alright. So. Oh, excuse me. And tear this down. Awesome. Alright. So I gotta look for the other targets. Oh, didn't mean to do that. Just to avoid those guys. Alright, so our next target is on this ship. What? What? I don't know. Alright, so... Oh, it's on that boat. Just give me a second. Alright. Alright, looks like there's two guys on here. Alright. There we go. Whoa. Come on. There we go. Alright.
It's not like we're guarding the Doge. What the hell are we guarding anyway?
Hello. Oh, did not mean to do that. There we go. Come on. Ouch! That hurt. There we go. Nope. Nice. That's first look at me funny. Alright. Let's see what you got. More throwing knives. Yes, sir. Oh, speaking of, let's see what's on this pleasure cruise. Yes, we got some money. Oh, don't mind me. I know the Doge is about to die, but money is good and all. Alright, now time for the other two targets. Okay. Yeah, we're not gonna go that way. Instead, we're gonna go the opposite direction. There we go. Nice. Oh. Ezio. In what universe would I want you to go right there? And what you... Okay, so the other two targets are up there. Well, let's go up here. No. Alright. Hang on. Let me just go climb this wall. Or ladder, not wall. Alright. So... Come on. Nope. Alright. Take this. Take this. Oh, you want some? Take this. Take this. Nice. Alright, two more. And then... Oh, God. Oof, that was close. Now we can... Go away. Go away. Alright. So, now that the target's dead, I got one more target somewhere in here. I'm going. Give me a second. Oh, come on. Oh, God. Ow. You dick! Ouch. That hurt. Okay. Excuse me. Alright. Don't mind me? Yes. Yes, you don't see me anymore. Alright. Get rid of that. Nice. Whee! Alright. See. Don't mind me. I'll just be walking right behind you. Nope! Ooh, that's... That was close. Uh-oh. Well. Let's see. I think I got an idea. I only got 2 left, and that's how much you need. Take this! Take this! There we go. Alright. Alright. Oh. Come on. You can't get this ducky. You can't get this ducky. Haha. Alright. Oh. Here we go. Whee! Woohoo! Climbing up. Alright. Get some of this. And now let's loot the body. Hang on. There. Hello. Let's go. Hang on. I got an idea. Ouch. Ouch. There we go. Sheesh. That hurt. Well, mission's complete. Now I gotta go back to Leonardo, I think. So I'll be right back. Sorry. Didn't mean to do that. I just have to go over here. Unless it's up there. God dang it. I was just up there. It's no fair. It looks like I'm not gonna talk to... sorry, sir. Not gonna talk to Leonardo. Alright. So... Why do I hear... Why do I hear a... Where am I? Oh, feather. It's right there. Uh-oh. Ouch. How am I alive? Oh my god. Come on. Alright. Go. Now. Land right there. Nice. 21. Awesome. Alright, it's over there. I miscalculated. Whatever. I did the job. Now, I guess it's time for me to fly. Let's do this. Yeah.
You did it. It's
Uh-huh.
beautiful. See.
Yep.
Now let's hope your idea works.
Yes.
We're nearly out of time.
Listen
Okay.
close, Ezio. You're going to want to fly from fire to fire.
Uh-huh.
The heat of each one you pass over should
Okay.
lift you back up in the air again.
Nice.
Bene.
Careful though. There's archers
What?
up on the roofs tonight.
Okay.
Avoid those arrows, or it will be a short trip.
I wish there was some
Alright.
way I could use my sword while flying these things.
Uh-huh.
Well, you do have your feet free. If you
Huh?
get close enough without taking an arrow in the head,
Okay.
maybe you could kick them off the building. Nice.
It's now or never.
Alright.
amigo mio.
Well, let's do this. Let's try to save the Doge. Alright. Now, let's fly! What's
Shoot!
that?
Shoot the flying demon!
No, don't shoot the demon. Whee! No, don't you... No, don't you dare. Now, in my other... Ow. Don't... No. You're not allowed to do that. Now, am I, like... Whoa! Am I... Uh-oh. My first time playing this game, I did not know what to do. I thought I was supposed to... Uh-oh. No, no, no. I thought I was supposed to whack these guys into the... out of the air. But no, I just had to make it all... Oh, God. No, why am I... What the hell? Alright. Come on. No. Alright, there's the other checkpoint. Ouch. Don't do that. Alright. Now. Fly me upwards, Scotty. Uh-oh. No. Uh-oh. Damn it! Damn it! Damn it! Yeah, I thought I was supposed to strike the enemies, but no, I was supposed to go to the area. I kept failing at this part. Whatever. Time to fly again. Alright. Whee!
Shoot!
No.
Shoot the flying demon!
Also, did you lose facial hair? Alright. Okay. Fly me upwards. Here we go. And glide me up. Okay. Whee! Alright. Alright. Now I need to get all the way over there. Alright. Avoid the buildings at all costs. Alright. We have to go over there next. Alright. No, don't mind me. I'm just flying here. Awesome. Alright. Oh god, that's a lot. Alright, and good thing stream. Oh look, there's another feather. Good to know. Alright. Alright. Can we turn around? Don't. I'm not trying to unsynchronize. I'm not trying to get to that area yet. Just trying to get over. Oh, there. There's the pacifier we have to go on. Alright. I'm just trying to fly over here. This is Air Ezio. Requesting permission to land. When is launch time? Alright. Uh-oh. Oh. No, no shooting. No shooting the fly guy. Alright. Here we go. Alright. Need to go over here. Nice. Ah. Yeah, I don't think Leonardo has some insurance for that.
What was that?
Don't worry.
Be curious, Mr. King, sir.
Come, it's your move.
Uh-huh. Yeah, sure it is. It's just, now it's my move to help. Alright. Need to get down there. Ladder. Hello. Okay, good thing the guards didn't see me. Right. Let's go. Whee! Nice. And now, land right here. Don't drink that! It's poison!
Don't drink that!
You are too late.
What?
Doge is dead.
What? Carlo?
What?
Apologies.
Oh, no.
Signore. But you should have listened to me when you had the chance.
Oh.
Seems you have failed, assassin.
Forgive me, signore. I tried.
I tried.
What was it all for?
I don't know. Power? Oh, no.
Assassino! Assassino! He's killed the Doge! The Doge is dead!
Uh-huh. Where is he? Come over here. I see you.
I want him caught now!
I see you. Come over here. Come on. And there we go. Nice.
It takes one assassin to kill
Yeah.
another. It's
We kill thinking it's best for us.
Is it really?
Messer Ezio.
Huh?
I do this not for myself.
Well, not anymore.
Questo sacrificio per il bene
I make us the sacrifice to the greater good.
Requiescat in pace.
Rest in peace. Peace. Oh no. What?
You killed me?
No.
You
Misunderstanding.
killed me?
Misunderstanding. Oh. Total misunderstanding. I gotta go now. Bye, buddies. I got what I wanted, and now I need to get out of here. Here we go. No, go away. Shoo. Shoo. Alright. Climbing upwards. Alright. I gotta find a... Are you kidding me? How? That's gotta be the stupidest guard on the face of the earth. Yeah, give me a moment.
What are you doing here?
I'm doing stuff. How am I gonna get down, actually? I haven't thought of that through. I mean...
I will kill all trespassers here. On him.
Uh-oh.
Get away.
The lake! I can escape from the lake.
You won't get far.
Whee! That's not a lake! Did I win? Do I have to do it all over again? I mean, I got the achievement. And I got the money. Okay, good. That was weird. Alright. I'm so sorry. But I have to run. There we go. Alright. And reload the area. We failed. But at least we got the Templar. That's a win in my book. That bastard. Oh well. So now what? Who's the new Doge? Of course my cape's not. It's not effective in this area. You dingus. Alright. 1486. Can I get to the other areas now? Alright. Okay, buildings. Perfect. Oh, look, Leonardo's. And I'm right here. Yeah, we got a little time to spare. Actually, we got time to go over there. That's what we're gonna do right now. Whee! Oh. Oopsies. Oop. Sorry. Did not mean to do that. I'll meet you to the other temp, to whatever it is. Alright, and we're back. And we're near the area. Could be up there, actually. Haven't thought that through, but whatever. Alright, so let's climb up here to find that entrance thing. Oh, there it is. And we're just gonna use this. Is this... I think this is like the... another annoying area. Alright. With this last thing, I have all the plates. Alright, now let's, obviously, I'm here. Let's go. Alright. Leap of faith? There we go.
Huh. There is something moving over there in that haystack.
Well.
Sit back down. We're in the middle of playing a tarot game.
Well, come
This time
on.
I saw something. I know it.
Uh-huh.
That's what you say every time.
Ha! Ha ha!
You were right. There
There's a
was
rat.
something in the haystack, you feminucha.
I'm tired
Sissy.
of your jokes. This isn't funny. I couldn't be killed.
By rats.
You don't
Yep.
take our work seriously. One misstep. One
There
time.
we go. Nice.
Leave me alone.
Alright. Looks like it's another chase guy. Alright. Oh god.
Run faster.
Uh-huh. Yeah, you should. Alright. I'm coming to get you.
Leave me alone.
I'm coming to get you. Alright, looks like I'm going over here. Oh god, that was close.
He's not going to get me.
Oh, damn it. Damn it. Ay, ay, ay. Get over here. You sissy. Alright. Alright. Come over here. Get your little tushy over here, young man. Here we go. Come on. Are you kidding me? Damn it. Come on. Oh my god. Well, good thing this guy is dumb as bricks. Alright. So, there you are. Alright, I see where I'm going. Come on. Oh, where am I have to go? Oh, up here. Alright. Get over here. Damn it. Damn it. Oh, come on, Ezio. Stop climbing the wall. Alright. So, obviously, let's go over here.
Leave me alone!
Alright. Come on. Come on! Oh my... Damn it. Good. Damn it. Should have gone to the parkour thing. Whatever. Alright, how am I gonna get up there? Alright, through there. Alright. There we go. Nice. Alright. Nice. Alright. Oh, I see now. Maybe we're up. Nope, not that way. There we go. Oh, up there. Why not there? Okay. What? Why not there? Maybe I have to climb up here? No? But that looked like a climb. Or maybe I was looking to climb up. Okay, fine then. Oh, hi. Nope. Get away. There we go. Nice. Alright, who's up next? Who wants to go next? Nope. Ow. There we go. Nice. Alright. Ouch. Ow. Come on. Who's up next? Oh, come on.
When you break the rules,
Ow.
we break you.
Ow. Come on. There we go. Right. I see you. Nope. There we go. Alright. Your turn. Nice. Alright, let's see what's in the big guy's ass. Alright. Nice, throwing knives. Okay, nothing there. Alright. Let's open this. Okay. Nice. Alright. Oh, yep, I remember. This one was a bitch. Alright. And there we go. Alright, we gotta go up there. There. And go all the way over here without fucking up. And to get that lever, come back here. Yep. Alright, but time starts now. Nope. There we go. Oh yeah. Yep. Damn it. Oh my god. See what I was talking about? Alright. There we go. Maybe we got a second try. Alright. There we go. And... oh. Nice. There we go. And swing. Climb upwards. There we go. No, Ezio, don't climb the wall. There we go. Nice. Okay. Climb this wall. And leap over there. Alright. Nice. And leap over. Alright. Nice. Okay, Ezio, that's fine. Oh god, I hear it go clinkly clunk. Up, other way. Alright. Nice. Come on. Uh-oh. No, we're running out of time. Yep, we ran out of time. Damn it. Well, guess I have to start this whole mess. Unless I can cheese it. Why are you trying to... come on. Alright, now I gotta restart. I'll meet you back here. Alright, and we're back. It took us a little while to get here, but... alright, where do we have to go? Over here? Alright, yes. Over here. Over here. Now, climbing all this. Alright, that's fine, actually. Didn't know what was happening. But hey, we made it. Oh, Lord. That was hard. And I did not enjoy myself. Alright. Now let's go in this tomb. Alright. Come on. Nice. Yay, a door. A sliding door that goes backwards. Has there been a thing like that before? I don't know. Alright. Let's go on in. Alright. Oh, nice. I made it. Well, don't mind if I loot this place. Because he's dead. I don't think he'll mind. Alright. Anyways. And now, we get the last of the loot. Oh no! Wait, there's another loot. What the hell? Alright. Alright. Guess we're gonna get this loot now. The last plate. Nice. Hello. Nice, the dagger. Awesome. The sewage is now exitable. We got all of them. Nice. Whee! And got money. And now this is a good place to leave off. So yeah, that is it for this episode, everybody. Guys, we have failed to rescue the old Doge. And we got the Assassin's Plate. So that's kind of win-win for us. So, yeah. Guess I'll be up here finding more codex pages and more eagle vision. No, not eagle. Synthesizing. So, yeah. I'm Matt Fam. I'll see you next episode. Bye bye.